Alright friends, now let's talk about using nested if statements. So when I want to use ternary operators in such situation, how do I do it? So in our earlier lesson, in my 25th lesson, I did an exercise. I find the maximum number between three numbers. So I will do it using ternary expression. Same exercise. Let's understand this. If I compare first number with the second, you see, if the first number is greater than the second, we go inside that if block. So when we check if the first number is also greater than the third, I mean x greater than or equals to z, if it is, we say the maximum is the first number. Otherwise, we say the maximum is z, the third number. When we move the else part, it checks whether x is less than y, because this condition is not true. I am looking for else block. Now let's check y is greater than or equals to z. Then y becomes the largest. And we assign the maximum value as y. Okay, otherwise maximum is z. Now let's try to replicate this logic using ternary operators. So to do this, I declare a variable max. I come here, I say max equals to. First, what I need to do, I need to check the first number, I mean x is greater than or equals to y. So after that, if so, I then check if first one, x is greater than the third one. So if this condition is true, the maximum is x, otherwise it's z. So I copy these and I paste here. It's my first condition. And then I put my question marks. So what I need to do is my second condition. I need to check this. So I open my parentheses and then I'm checking this condition. X is greater than or equals to z. So if it is, I put my question mark again. Maximum value is x. So if it is true, I put x. Otherwise, the maximum value is z, as you see. I assign z value to the maximum. Otherwise, if x is less than z. I hope you understand it. So I'm coming the else block. So for coming this, you see, if x is greater than or equals to y, here is my first condition. Otherwise, I put my colon. Right now I am looking inside the else block. So what I need to do, I need to check this. So I copy this and I open my parentheses again. I paste my condition. If y is greater than or equals to z, so what's the maximum value? Maximum value is y. So I put my y. Otherwise, my maximum value is z, as you see. That's all. That's all. So what I need to do, I need to print the maximum value. So I delete all and I say max value is max. Okay, I save it. I run it. So as you see, my maximum value is 7. Okay, super. The logic, applying this a little bit hard, but as soon as you understand it, you will apply in different exercises. Super.